Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of DEV C on the Windows operating system. And after that, I am also going to show you how you can easily start working on your C and C++ programmings using DEV C. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in middle, you can always ask me on comment sections. And I'm also on Instagram now, so you can also ask me over there as well. I'll definitely going to help you. So now to install DEV C++, you need to first simply go to favorite browser and then you need to search over here DEV C++ download and hit enter. So that's going to show you the search results. So here the second one, that is the SourceForce.net, is what we are going to download. So just simply click on this DEV C++ download and it's going to redirect to the official site of SourceForce.net. So this link I'm going to provide in our description. So when you use that link, you'll be able to see this DEV C++ over here. So under SourceForce, here we have a download button, so we'll just simply click on that and it's going to immediately start downloading our DEV C++. As you can see that it comes with TDM GCC compiler, so 4.9.2 setup, it included. So everything is fine. You can see that our file is also rightly started downloading and it is rightly downloaded as well. So now let's minimize our browser and go to our download directory. And you can see that our same exe file is already been downloaded over here. So let's double click on it to start installing our DEV C++. It will ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes. And there you go. You can see that it is rightly started loading. So first it will ask you to select one language. So if you click on this drop down, you will be able to see all these different language. I'll be selecting English and I'll just simply click on OK. So these are all license agreement. I'll recommend you always read this and click on I agree. So these are all files it's going to install. See, it also includes this TDM GCC version 4.9.2 compiler. So it is very important to install DEV C++, which also has a compiler. Alright, so that's why I always recommend you to download from this link. So just follow that link and this will have GCC compiler. Alright, so yeah, so everything is fine. Just simply click on next. So this is where our DEV C++ is going to be installed. Only thing that you need to check is that you need to have this much amount of free space, that is 346 MB. Alright, so everything is fine. Just simply hit install and immediately we'll see that our installation is rightly began. So again, it's going to take some time, a couple of minutes maybe. So by the time it get installed, I'll request you please do consider subscribing our Geeky Syntax channel. Here also regularly I'm posting lot of videos. I'm going to post complete tutorial on C and C++ programming, then Java, Python, all that on this channel. You'll also get already videos on WordPress and all, so that also you can follow. And also if you're interested, you can also subscribe our Geeky Script vlogging channel. So here you can see that our DEV C++ is rightly installed. Also run DEV C++ is also checked. Let's minimize our download directory. You can see the desktop shortcut also getting created over here. So you can just simply double click on the shortcut to launch your DEV C++, or else for the first time just keep this checked and click on finish. So that's going to also launch our DEV C++. So you can see that our DEV C++ is rightly open. So this is first time configuration. You can always change your language if you want. I am going to keep it English. Click on next. So here it is asking to select one theme. So currently they have selected consolers. If you want to change it, it's anything else, like let's say you want to change to Korean new, so that's going to make it like this. I'll go back to consoler itself, and you can choose the color from here as well. You can choose all these different colors. I'll choose classic. You can also change this icon. You can see when you change it to this icon blue, it turns it will show this type of icons. Alright, I'll keep new look and I'll just simply click on next. So our DEV C++ has been configured successfully. Just simply click on OK and it's going to do all the configurations in the back end, and it's going to launch our DevC++. So this is the interface of our DevC++, and see, it comes with this TDM GCC compiler 4.9.2 64-bit release. Alright, so yeah, so it is properly open. This is the interface of our DevC++. Let's write some code. So just go to file and hover over new and create a new source file, and here let's write a simple hello world code, hello world C program I'm going to write. So hash include stdio.h, and I'll be creating one int main method, and I'll give curly brace, and within that curly brace I want to print something on console, so I'll just simply do hello world. Alright, I'll just end with a semicolon, and I'll just simply return 0. Why I need to return 0? Because it is a int main method, so it is an integer type, so it expects something integer to be returned. So this our program is having no errors, so we are just, that's why returning 0. Alright, so let's save this file. Just go to file and click on save all, and let's on our desktop, let's save this file as program.c, and just simply click on save. So that's going to save our file. You can see that our file is rightly saved. Let's build and run our program. So just simply click on this compile and run. So click on that button, and immediately we'll see that our program got built successfully with no errors and no warning, and you can see the compilation time as well, which is 1.64 seconds, and you can see the output on our console as well. So whatever we have written, so this hello world double explanation is what we have got on our console. So you can always press any key on your keyboard to again return back to your program, and that's how you create a hello world program on C. So if you want to do it like C++, that you need to follow the same thing. Only thing is, like the point when I save this, like when I click on the save as, so here you need to save this program as C++, like CPP, when you are coding in C++. Since I have coded it in C, so I have saved this file in .c. Alright, that's the only change you need to make when it is C++. Obviously your syntax will be C++ only, not C. So yeah, so that's how you start working on your C and C++ assignments on DevC++. Hope these videos are helping you. If these videos are really helping you, please do consider subscribing our channel, Geeky Syntax. That's going to really motivate me to make more and more this kind of videos. So yeah, so that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.